Hello everyone, welcome to channel. Dax Shepard, the multi-talented actor, comedian and podcast host, is known for his love of cars and all things automotive. Among his many projects, one standout bill has captured the attention of car enthusiasts, turning a humble Mercury Zephyr station wagon into a high-performance Fox body powerhouse. This project is a testament to Shepard's passion for unique vehicles and his appreciation for blending vintage aesthetics with modern performance. The Mercury Zephyr, a cousin to the Ford Fairmont, is a lesser-known Fox body platform car produced in the late 1970s and early 1980s. While it might not have the instant recognition of the iconic Mustang, the Zephyr shares the same chassis, making it a versatile and surprisingly capable platform for modification. Shepard saw potential in this unassuming wagon and decided to transform it into a street and track monster. The heart of the build is a modern Coyote V8 engine, a powerhouse known for its reliability and impressive output. The 5.0-liter Coyote engine, commonly found in late-model Mustangs, produces upwards of 400 horsepower in stock form. Shepard's choice of this engine highlights his commitment to performance, ensuring the Zephyr wagon isn't just a conversation piece, but a serious contender on the road. The combination of lightweight Fox body construction and Coyote power makes for an exhilarating driving experience. To complement the new engine, the Zephyr wagon underwent extensive modifications. The suspension system was upgraded to handle the increased power and provide improved handling. Coilovers, sway bars, and performance bushings were likely added to ensure the car could corner with precision. Shepard also equipped the vehicle with modern brakes, essential for safely managing the increased speed and performance. Visually, the Zephyr retains much of its original charm, with its boxy wagon silhouette intact. However, subtle aesthetic upgrades give it a more aggressive stance. Wider wheels and tires fill out the fenders, while a lowered ride height adds a sporty touch. The understated exterior serves as a nod to the sleeper car culture, where high-performance vehicles maintain a low-key appearance. Shepard's Mercury Zephyr wagon is more than just a car, it's a statement. It showcases his creativity and love for blending nostalgia with cutting-edge technology. This build stands as a reminder that even the most unlikely platforms can be transformed into something extraordinary with enough vision and dedication. For car enthusiasts and fans of Shepard alike, this Coyote-powered Zephyr is a perfect embodiment of automotive passion and innovation.